Hello everyone, my name is Hermann Marx and I'm from Bamberg in Germany. I have a background in theology and in the past I worked as a youth pastor and as a recruiter. Since the last year I was looking for a career change. I was longing to do something with logic and with visible results. So I got into coding and it became my new passion. Now I'm a graduate of the WS Coding School and I can proudly present my final project to you. Welcome to Matchup. Join your local sports community. This web app is about to find people who share the same sports interest as you and to get found by them. So imagine you move to a new town and you don't know so many people, but you want to do sports like football or basketball with somebody else, but you don't want to join a club, you want to stay more flexible. So Matchup is the solution for you. What do we have here is the landing page, and you can sign into your account with the username and the password. But as of now, we don't have an account yet, and we can create one just by clicking here in less than 2 minutes. So we can choose a username and put in an email address and a password. And now here we can choose which sport we are interested in, and I will take football, basketball and volleyball, and we can type in the town where we are available, so I'm from Bamberg, and we also choose it on the map so that the app can find people in our area with the same sports interest. So I take the center of Bamberg, and we sign up by clicking here. And it's done. Now we can log in with our account. And here we are. As we are new, it's still empty. We have the events, the invites, and the ranking. In the events, will be displayed the events I'm going to attend soon. In the invites will be displayed the invitations from other people to sports events. And in the ranking is the ranking where I am in the competition of other people with the same interest in my area, but I will explain this later. But as of now, we are new and we can create our own event just by clicking on this plus button here. And we can choose an activity, let's play football, and we're gonna do this tomorrow in the afternoon with a start time and an end time. We're here on the map, we can say where it's gonna be. So let's say Bamberg in the city park, and we choose exactly the place on the map so that people know where it's gonna be. Here's the park and here are the sports courts. Next, and now the app will find us people from the same area with the same sport interest, and we can invite them. So let's invite some of them, and we go next. And now we have the summary, what we're gonna play and when, where, and who is invited. We can add additional information to our people that we invite. So I put in a random text and confirm. So now the event is confirmed, and this is my event. But let's see it from a different point of view, from a user who is already advanced and has some events and some invitations. I log in with another account. I'm in, and here are already several events, also with the information summary here. So I can see the players. The color blue shows who will attend the event. The color yellow will show which answer is still pending, and color red shows he will not attend the event. And I can also see on the map where it's going to take place and see the additional information. And this user has also an invitation with all the information, and he can decide if you want to accept it or cancel it. So I will accept it. And now this event is already in my upcoming events. Maybe you're wondering why this event has a feedback button. This will appear when you're the organizer of an event and the event is already finished. then I can go in here, and it will show all the attendance of an event, and you can select the winners and submit the result by pushing the submit button. And these results will go into the ranking. So here I have the ranking system, and it shows where, when I attended a basketball event, I go into this ranking, or football, or another sports. And here I am the second place. I have won 14 times, and here also the second, I won 9 times. And just in case if I want to edit my profile, I can click here and click on profile, and I can change my username, my password, my interests, but also where I live. And if I decide to move to Berlin, I can change that, also change it on the map, and go to the center of Berlin and save it. So now it's done, and when I go now to the ranking system, I see that I compete with other people, because it always finds people who are nearby me. And now in Berlin I'm on the first place in basketball, but a little lower in football. Yes, that's it. Match up. Join your local sports community, so you can find people and you can get found, and you can meet with them, and you can compete with them. I hope you will enjoy it and sign up for Matchup.